Alright, welcome to part 3 of section 3, which is installing two plugins, which is Wp-Optimise and Wp-Sweep. The reason we're going to install these plugins is that when you're working with Elementor, it can actually keep a lot of revisions in the database. And as a result of that, it can really slow down the performance of your website. So by having these two plugins installed, it basically clears the website cache so that you don't end up taking up too much space and keeps your website lean and mean. So what we're going to do is from the dashboard, we're going to go to plugins. We're going to click on add new. And the first one that we're going to install is Wp-Optimise. And it's this one here. We're going to install it. So that should install shortly, and then we're going to click on activate, and that's done. So we're going to click on add new, and we're going to install Wp-Sweep, which is this one here. And then click on activate. And that's how you install Wp-Optimise and Wp-Sweep. So the last thing we're going to do in this section is installing the actual template that we'll be using to design the website. So we'll be moving on to that video now.